Boom.
Hello.
And there we have it. Yeah, hello everyone. Thank you for joining us on what is it today? It's a Thursday. Yes, it is a Thursday. Uh,
Oh yeah,
yeah, this is Launchpad. I'm excited for this one. How about you?
me too. Yeah, this is gonna be a fresh start for us.
Yeah,
Another fresh start.
it is going to be another fresh start. Little background for folks who might not know, Launchpad is where over a series of a couple different streams, we try to build some kind of cohesive thing from start to finish. We've done two apps so far. We did a job listings tracker, more of kind of like your CRUD application, standard CRUD. And then we did Jam Spam, which was a very interactive, real time type situation. Boom, 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 where you could basically spam sounds into everybody's ears. It was pretty awesome. Boom. Whoa. That was wild. But yeah, just like that. Um, yeah, and so now we're going to take it up a notch. We're doing a new project. We're breaking out of the website web app territory and we're going into the Twitch chat bot integration territory. And what better way to do that than with memes? Yeah, so we're going to make a chatbot command so that you can customize memes and have them pop up on a stream. I think that's pretty wild. What do you think?
Yeah, so meta.
It is so meta, and that's the thing. We're going to work on it. So the layout that you are looking at now is a React and GraphQL app. So we're going to post
Hmm.
this. The bot's going to get the chat message, and then we're going to use subscriptions, GraphQL subscriptions, send that down to a React app, and the React app is going to do the work of displaying the meme. So this should be a lot of fun. I'm pumped. I know you are as well, Blades. And so I guess
Oh yeah.
without further ado, should we talk a little bit about how we're going to do this?
Yes. Let's. I would love
Talk a
to
little
do that and
architecture?
kind of like, yeah. I mean, you're kind of the stream layout master. So
Yeah. Okay.
I'm curious to hear what your kind of like initial game plan thoughts are on
Yeah,
this.
so here's where I go to this. So because of the setup that I've got going on and the domain experience that I have, I'm thinking our best route is to. So we already have. Actually, let me dive into some code. Right? Let's look at the
Okay,
associated code behind
let's check it out.
uh, the layout. So boop. Let's flip over. Okay,
Okay.
so here I am on this is the Launchpad scene. So like right here where you see Launchpad, that's where it says
Yeah.
Launchpad on the layout. So
Okay.
let's go look at the code. So yeah, so the way that this works is we've got a client and a server. Server's deployed to render.com. The client's deployed to Netlify. Uh, and then inside of the server, we have a GraphQL server. Um, that is a Apollo server set up to support. Oh, I was like testing something with auth. We're not actually using auth. I could actually like delete this right now. Uh,
Cool.
yeah, boop. Yeah, so this is Apollo server. And then the cool parts are, let's go look at webhooks. So we export this create webhooks function, which the Twitch API has a very interesting way of doing with webhooks. Essentially, you send out like a post request, and then you subscribe. They give you a URL like in return to, or like you do a get request to like
Hmm.
webhooks follows, and then they respond, or like I can't remember how it works. Darn it. Handle, yeah, Twitch webhooks here. Yes, but how did it go? What's the order? Oh, okay. Yeah, the challenge goes to the get request. Okay. This is where the in this is where I want them to handle requests. So I'm saying send webhooks to
Okay.
webhooks follows. I have to go further down. This is where we set it up.
There we go. Register webhooks.
Yeah,
I see.
yeah. So you call out to them and tell
Cool.
them where you want them to like send your webhooks to. And then what they do is they do a test get request with like a challenge and you send that back. If that returns, then boom, you're good to go. They'll start posting webhook events to this thing, but it only lasts for 4 hours, so you have to like reset it every 4 hours.
Oh, that's why the register webhooks thing
You got
is
it.
is a
Yeah.
see.
Yeah, and then we just rerun it every couple hours. Boop, boop, boop. So that's how we do. And then this pub sub publish. So we're passing in pub sub from the GraphQL subscriptions. And
Mm-hmm.
this is how we are getting things down to the client. And yes, we are meming things, Xander. Thanks for joining us. We are going to meme the layout. I'm just going over kind of how the whole layout that you're looking at works right now. So this is how we do webhooks, but what we'll be working with today is more around the chat. So we're
Yeah.
using TMI.js, and this is just like a SDK or framework or API, whatever you want to call it, for working with the Twitch chat. So we've got it all
Oh,
we've got
interesting.
yeah, we've got it all configured. This code is definitely sloppy, so like it is what it is. You know, don't judge me on its cleanliness. But it works. It gets the job done, and this is how all the commands work. So, yeah, we create our chat client, and we pass in that pub sub for our subscriptions, and then whenever certain events happen, we respond. We push it down. So in this case, what we're going to do is when we get a message, we're going to see if it starts with our kind of command marker, which is an exclamation point or a bang,
Okay.
and then yeah, then if we don't, we're gonna try and figure out what the command is from the command results.
Okay.
And then if the command result is not there, that's when we just return command not found. So like if I go in chat and I'm like, hey, yo, ew, the command's not going to be found. And we got two
Oh,
responses
nice.
because it's running locally and we're also running on render. So both of those. So we're
Oh,
going to get a command not found even when we do add it
gotcha.
here locally. I could go turn off.
Because it's not running on render. Gotcha.
Yeah, yeah, I could go turn off render, but it's a lot of work. I don't want to do that.
Gotcha. Cool.
Yeah, the other option is I could switch our layout to the local host as well, but if I do that, we get that flash like every time I save after a change, it like flashes on stream, and it's just
Right.
not pleasant. So we'll deal with the no comments. Actually, I can. We don't even have to deal with both because why don't I just do this? Uh, I'll just comment these out for now. Boop.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal either way, I think.
Yeah, I think it's fine. We can always comment it back in. All right. Regardless, this is where we are. This
Hmm.
is how it works. So we pub sub these sounds down, or whatever it is, like the command, we pub sub down these different events with some data, and that happens over GraphQL. So we generally have a corresponding hook. So here we have sounds. So we set up our
Okay.
subscription, and then this is using um,
A generator, right?
yeah, to be able to get this functionality of like making sure you wait before. So with subscriptions, the thing is like they just come when they come. So like if 15 people go in and do sound or meme or something like that or follow, what would happen is we would just get those events. Boom, 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 boom. The server doesn't throttle them for us. It just sends them as they come. However, there's a lot of
Hmm.
times when you want to deal with things in like a time-based manner. Like when we get a follow, we want to show the animation, let it sit, and then dissipate before we yield the next follow and show that one, right? Even if they are coming in faster than they're being displayed. So we use a generator to kind of yield these values slowly on a duration that we set. And then that will kind of give us the ability to control flow, kind of uh, our queue.
Cool.
We can, yeah. So that's essentially why we do that. And then yeah, so now we have a hook. And so then in hook, we can use it in components or scenes or like overlays. Like in this case, we'll probably want to create our own overlay, which is meant to just be added as a source as opposed to like being the whole background scene layout.
Hmm.
If that makes a sense.
Yeah. So then our overlay would be like a React app that that listens for events coming from our
You got it.
GraphQL API, right?
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
exactly. So really, it would be a route. We would make it a route on the React app. So if we look at the index of this,
Oh, nice.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So we are using Reach Router, and then what we do is like even overlays get their own route. So then in
Hmm.
OBS, when you specify the browser source, you just send it to the specific route, and
I see.
bingo bango, that's how you got. So like I could literally go into OBS and change the layout from Launchpad to Mission Briefing or Orbit or like Be Right Back just by changing the URL.
I see. Well, that is really, really slick. I like how that's set up.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. It works very well. I've had great success with it so far. So why not continue on the heels of that and get this meme functionality kind of set up and going?
Cool.
Okay. I would say the first step is to handle the process. But first, it looks like we've got a quick question. Looks like Fire Flames. Can you pretty much use that in place of Heroku? Yes. Yeah. I mean, well, I don't know. Like, I'm not like an expert on either platform, but both support deploying and running node processes and both in various and different ways. But yeah, like you could host an
Hmm.
app on either platform. I could take what's on render and move it to Heroku, or I could take it off Heroku and then do that. Can you push from CLI your repo? I don't think so. That you could do that with Heroku. I just have it connected through GitHub, so like anytime there's a change to main branch, it will deploy. That's what I'm
Yeah.
doing. Yeah.
Yeah. So both um, yeah, both services feature that like connect to a GitHub repo
Yep.
or a Git repo. There's some key differences though that I think are like that exist between the two. Heroku does like your managed Postgres. You can host a database on render, but they don't give you the same kind of tooling that Heroku does, where like Heroku using the Heroku command line tool, you can connect to your database and make queries against it and stuff like that. Push and pull updates to your database. With Render, it's you get your hosted Postgres database, or whatever flavor of
Yep.
database you want, but it's on you to like uh, connect to it via SSH or some other means, and it doesn't have kind of that automated migration features in it. Um,
Yep.
and then on in addition to that, Heroku also I hosted a web app on Render months ago, so I don't know what the current state of it is, but Heroku gives you more detailed information about kind of like error rates and response times and things like that. Um, and Render is a bit more kind of like bare bones in that respect,
Yeah.
if I remember correctly.
Yeah. That's a very good. Uh, I guess what's the word I'm looking for? Description of the differences. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. It looks like we got a raid. I can't tell. Marcel Odermas. Odermas.
Oh
Hello.
snap!
Small raid coming in. There it is. Thank you. Thank you so much, y'all.
Thank you, Marcelo.
Yeah. We love having you here.
Appreciate it.
Okay, yeah, let's see. Do you even Vim? Honestly, I don't Vim. I'm not very good with Vim. I I use it like when I make edits to Git messages or I'm rebasing. That's like the extent of my
Yeah,
Vim use. Yeah, and that's not like
I don't even
technically
know if
Vim.
that's
That's VI, right? That's
that's
like
VI. Right,
yeah,
right. Yeah, I
yeah.
don't know what the difference
I
is.
don't know.
That's how little we've been here.
I use two letters out of the three though, so I guess that counts for something, right?
I know how to write and close a
Oh,
file. That's
yo,
pretty cool.
Dom, what's up? It's funny because I was actually going to message you here shortly because I think, oh, well, that's cool. Vim is VI improved. Love it. Uh,
Right.
Cloudinary,
PII then.
yeah, I'm thinking Cloudinary might be something we want to be using for the solution, actually, Blades. I was actually going to get into like, what do we think we're going to need to build this? Um, and yeah, not
Cloud.
I'm thinking it's Cloudinary. It makes the most sense because
Right.
here's what we envision like for the meme generator, and then I'll run it by you, and then you tell me if this makes
Sure.
sense, right? So like I envision you can be like at meme, and then you would be like it would be like whatever the template name is, and then you could just put text, and we would just pull it out, and it would be like, uh, Kurt is the worst dev, right? Boom. So
Right.
there's the
Right.
message, right? That's what it would look like. And then when we get the meme command, we would just parse it out. The next word, single, has to be like a single thing, is the template. And then
Mm-hmm.
anything that follows is the text you want to render onto that meme, the meme template,
Okay.
right? Does that make sense? If you do like,
Yeah, and then it's easy to compose that together in Cloudinary URL.
yeah, exactly. That's exactly what I'm
Cool.
thinking. And then we just upload the templates to Cloudinary. That would return a URL. We shoot that URL over a subscription to the React app, where we then load it
Mm-hmm.
into an image. We have like an on load listener. So once the image actually loads, because it's got to render, right? It's got to
Yep.
build. Once it renders, we whoop, framer motion it in and whoop,
Mm.
framer motion it out.
Easy.
Boom. That's right.
Do it.
Easy.
That's a solid plan,
Yeah,
dude.
easy peasy. 3 hours later, we're still trying to figure out why we're not getting exclamation meme coming down the pipeline.
Oh gosh, maybe that would be a great place to start. Is just like get some responsiveness from
Yes,
the
the command.
from the API. Like
Yep,
uh, get some kind of sign of life for
exactly.
the
Yeah, we wanna
Magni.
go through that. So let's see. So we've already got this running locally, and we already have a client set up. I would probably use subscriptions in Explorer to test this, but because we already have the client, I'm just gonna skip and use the app itself. We can
Sure.
like do it live essentially. We'll do it live. So yeah, let's start with the server. And I think let's close some of this stuff we're not gonna need. We won't need that. We won't need this. Yeah, command. It's sorry. That command is. You got it? Are you on that? Are you on chat?
Almost. There we
There you
go.
go. Cool. Oh, it's
So
not
this is
updated.
kind of outdated at
Damn
this
it.
point, but this is what we were working on.
Oh, well, it's getting two
Um,
responses. So what I can do though is update it right now.
nice.
What are we? Let's see. What are we doing? We are building. It doesn't have a repo yet, but we're building a.
Well, it does, doesn't it? It would be
Oh
in the
man.
layout.
Yeah, it does. It does have a repo.
Do you
A
know what
Twitch.
it is off the top of your head?
Yes, it is
Hey,
Apollo.
Kemple.
Yes, Apollo dash stream dash scenes, I believe.
Boom. Done.
Twitch chat meme integration, so you can spam the stream with memes. Okay, I love it. Save it. So it's running. So this is actually a good litmus test. So if we run the project again, or run the command again, hey, thank you for the follow. If we run it, we should get two responses. We should get one from render with the old, and then one from this with the new.
Anybody want to do the honors? Do LP dash project,
And then,
and we'll
boom.
see if it works.
Yeah, and if not, we shall forgive you. But it's funny because I actually need to work here anyway, because boop, now we've got to add our command for meme, and then it should be, we'll make
Hey, thanks.
generate
H&X, check
meme
it out. Trevor and Kurt are building a Twitch chat meme integration so you can spam the chat with memes.
with memes.
Nice.
Nice. Okay. All right. Boom. So we are good. So then the command, oh, I see. I do play sound. So let's make this like a, we'll stick with the thing. It's not very fancy here, folks. If you were coming to see like a super clean project, you're not going to get that. Maybe we could do another one where we stream and it's literally just called like clean up Kurt's crappy code. And we just like, here's what we
Mm.
have. How can we make this look better? Yeah. All right. So let's see. So we've got that. We've got meme generate meme. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Join us for that next week. Uh, so what we do here, if we go back down, is remember. So we've got our message handler, If it's the bot, we don't want to do anything, so we return. Like if the bot is the one posting the message. Um, okay. Yeah, okay. Response. So chat message, chat. So that's going to send, yes, no matter what, it's going to send that response to the chat. And then here, if there's no command result, we would say that if it's play sound, else if, and we could probably actually do, let's do a switch case here because this is just going to get out of hand. So we'll
Cool.
switch, and then we'll switch on command result. Boom. So we got a switch, but now we need, actually, let's do default first. So for the default, we're gonna, this is just gonna move. So let's just shoot it on up. Boom.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that's good. Now we can say, what was the other one? Case. Oh,
Play sound.
yeah, thank you. Play sound. Boop. Oh, look at you.
Oh.
You got it.
Oh.
Oh. Sorry about that. It keeps doing that to you. I hate that it does that to you. Why won't you let him copy paste?
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, you know what?
Actually, you don't need.
Oh,
that,
that's
yeah.
right. Yeah, thank you. But I do need a break.
In fact, you don't. Oh yeah, true. You don't really need you don't need to add
I know.
these curly braces unless you're using like defining
Yeah.
constants within.
Yeah, this is true. Or if you're doing like multiple things, no? Like multiple executions. Like if I want to do multiple steps inside of the break, wouldn't I then need?
No, you're fine if you even if you do multiple things. The paren or those not parens, but the curly brackets are only
Just to
necessary
create
if you're
scope.
for like scoping.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Got it. That's cool. I didn't know that. All right,
So
so
if you
then
define if you like defining new variables,
got it.
basically.
Got it. All right, so generate meme. That's really cool. I didn't know that. So then screw you. I won't do that. And then in this case, we'll pub sub publish. We'll have to create. We haven't done this yet, but it will be. We'll say display meme. That's what we're actually going to publish to
Okay.
the channel, right? Because we want to display meme. Like that's the um, what the client wants to know.
Right.
It just needs to subscribe to that. So what we're going to send though, we don't have it yet, but essentially it would just be like, I guess the URL of the meme. That's what we're going to give it. And in this case, it would be meme. It doesn't exist yet. So what we have to do is if the case is generate meme, we have to do some stuff. We have to take the, not the command result, the response or message. What am I after? Message. We have to take the message and parse it. So, because remember, what we're going to do is we need to get the template, and then we need to get the string. Like what are we going to put on top of it? And to do that, first thing we're going to do is say, actually, to do that, we can just do the damn thing. Comma, and then template, boom, dot, all the rest of them into the message. What do we want to call this? Like what the text? Cool. Love it. All right. So now we've got that, and that's going to be equal message dot split on a space. So that's going to give us what we want. Then we're going to say const meme is going to be equal to, and we should probably have like a function to, it shouldn't be that bad because most of it's going to be dynamic. So we'll just make it a template literal, and we'll have to figure out what this is going to be, but then it'll be like our Cloudinary URL, which we'll have to build. And I think, but let's test this. We can actually just send this. But I would actually like to know, let's just dump some stuff in here so we can like see what we're getting. So actually, let's do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do template dash text dot join, because that's going to be an array of items,
Yep.
back on a space. That should put it right back the way we want it, and we could just send that for now. How does that sound?
Sure.
Now
Yeah. Why don't we?
we have a,
What did I just do?
I don't know.
Oh, can you save again?
Cool.
There we go.
Yeah, there's a few other things.
Uh,
Yeah, what else you want to do?
well, we have to break here.
Yeah.
But I was thinking that maybe we could just do like client say, channel, and meme. Like we could just say this back to the chat, right?
Yeah, we could do that.
Is that what client say does?
Yes, that's exactly what it does.
All right. Yeah, let's just do that to see if we get the parsing right, to make sure that this thing is actually responding and all
So
that
then
stuff.
let's hold off though, because this is gonna break. Let's take that out because we actually haven't set up PubSub yet. So like the actual resolver for and subscription and stuff. So I wouldn't know where to send that. But now we could still do chat. It should just work. TM.
All right.
Hit me with it. Show me what you got. Uh-oh. Did we get an error? We did not. Okay, hang on one second. At meme, and we added meme, right? Yep.
Let's just up here. I'm gonna console.
I was just
log
gonna say that.
And
yep.
Results. This is a console log oriented programming stream.
Oh, in case you haven't noticed, yeah. If you haven't been with us before, but yeah, that's a great idea.
Pop gang. Let's try that again. Meme. Hello world.
Undefined.
So right now, defined. Interesting.
Oh, wait a minute. Well, this can't be right.
Yeah.
This is just message to lowercase. That's not going to work.
Oh, yeah.
Because we are now doing, this needs to be message dot, ooh, yikes. Okay, so this real quick needs to be const command. That's not taken yet, right? Equals, actually, let's do it like this. Const command equals message.split.
Okay.
Right? Because that is going to be the first one. Yeah, you got it. Coco command. And then, so now we should get it. Let's try again. Here, I'll jump in chat.
Good call.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm biased because I wrote it. Still undefined, though.
All right.
So let's look at command.
Console log.
Command.
Yeah. Command.
Boom.
All right. I'm going to do this again.
All right. Oh, you just did it. But we're only seeing one undefined. Something's not right here.
Let's see what this is. Message. Here we go. Gonna get it working here.
Oh, you know what's interesting? Yeah. So it didn't restart for some reason. See how all the undefineds are within the same server restart? That's weird.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's working. So if you take out...
Nice. So that worked.
Yeah. Well, we did message. So the whole message is that. Then we got this and the command. Yeah, generate meme. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Template.
Yeah.
Test and test one. Yeah, that looks right. My template - I wrote it. Okay, cool. So it's strange that it wasn't updating. Maybe it was one of those things where like you had to save it and I was saving it before or something like that. You know.
Had me.
How that.
Yeah, but it did. It still would not have worked without splitting out command off of the front message.
Oh yeah.
But
of course.
did we break it for anything else? No, right? It should just work.
No, man.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. Okay, so now we are going to yeah, all right, so we've got it. We got our command and we're generating well, we know this is working. So now should we I think we should get Cloudinary set up and working, right?
Yeah, I think that that'd be a good next step. Let's
I
do that.
I concur. Do you concur? What movie is that?
Hmm.
I can't remember. Oh, I have to do like a whole secret thing. Oh, and I got Stream Deck, so watch this. Boom. Restricted area, folks. Sorry. You're
Wow.
gonna have to wait. And it's just one button. Yeah, I'm obsessed with Stream Deck now. Like, obsessed. I can do quick clips. I'm gonna create so many clips because now I just have to click a button and I can create them. So many.
Clips on clips.
So many clips. I literally just created one of me saying I'm gonna create so many clips. All right, I'm in. Let me flip back over to boom this one. This is so cool. I just clicked a button. It's just I can't believe I've waited this long to try it out. Very very silly of me. Okay, so here we have a lot of images and resources. So these are avatars pulled from Twitter of people who have joined me on stream because this is also, folks, the same process I use to generate the social media images for the streams. I mean, well, kind of the same. We use Cloudinary to do it. We have templates, and then we put text and other images and things on top of it
Hmm.
because Cloudinary is the bee's knees, if I don't mind saying so, and I don't mind it. It's pretty awesome.
I don't mind you saying so.
So, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the media library and we're going to upload a GIF or a meme. So, what GIF or meme do we want to use? I have one. I have,
I'm thinking that if we want to overlay text on it,
yeah,
does it have to be JPEG or can Cloudinary overlay text on GIFs?
that's a good question. Let's try GIF and find out,
Sure.
right? And then if not, we can switch to image, like
All right.
JPEGs. I was thinking we could use one of my favorite GIFs now, which is when my son hits me with a groin shot.
Let's do
Do
it.
you want to use that one? Is that
I think that's the one of the most memeable images we have in our arsenal for sure.
yeah? And I can just grab it very easily. I downloaded it today just to make sure I had it. Uploading, done. So here it is. So now this is how we can reference it in our URLs, like for our template. So here's the deal. I don't know exactly how to structure these URLs, but I have a ton of examples. So I'm going to go grab one. I'm going to see if I can cheat mode. I'm going to grab one of the URLs that we use for the stream images, the one that actually I used for this,
Okay.
and then we will. Oops, I hit the wrong button. I hit open link, but it doesn't matter. I'll take that. So yeah, this is a Cloudinary URL. So actually, here's like a fun thing. So if I come over here and I'm like just jump around a little bit, here we go, building, and then I just be like, what? I'll do it all together. Is up chat, and then I'll just do like %20 to put a space. I'll reload. Look at that. What is up, chat? Building a Twitch chat. Me, sorry, I thought that was fun.
Whoa.
It's pretty cool, right? And then that's it. That's how it
Very
works.
cool.
So this is what we're gonna kind of do a little bit. We're gonna do some of that. Goodbye.
Nice.
Yeah. So let's flip back over to ye old VS Code, and I'm just gonna create like a new file, and we'll just drop this in here. Dear Lord, help us. But there's a couple things like see this launchpad .png. That is the template. So if I go here to Cloudinary, I can get this. If I click on
Okay.
this, I can get the ID. Boop.
All right.
So I want this ID, and then I think it's just in the root. I don't think I dropped it in a folder. It's just an asset. Yeah, so it's just not in streaming. So boom. So that just goes there. That's cool. So now we can go back to VS Code. and we can get rid of this part here and replace it with that. So here's what I want to do to run some tests. A lot of these things are images that we are not going to need. We're not going to fetch any images for ours. So let's go ahead and get rid of that code. So we're going to just start cleaning this up a lot. So the font, we can change that later. Right now, let's just, we're going to get rid of this first text and stick with the second one. Boop, which is that. And then right now, the gravity, which means like where's the text going to go? It's going to go to the southwest. That's fine. I'll leave it there for now. Positioning is fine, but color, we're going to make it white just so we can see it for now.
Okay.
And then we have this. So in theory, let's see what happens if I
Whoa.
open this. It might error, or it might just work.
Suspense.
The suspense is killing me. The suspense is killing me. OMG. So we can put text on top of a GIF. There it is.
Oh my gosh. Check it out.
And that's how fast that was. So let's go back to that URL. So shout out to
Damn. That's amazing.
it's your image, that guy 1994. Oh, it's your image. Oh, from being on. Oh, okay. I was like, huh? Okay. All right. Let's see. Source Sans Pro. So what do we want to do? Do we want to change the font? Um, let's change the text. Do we want to change? Yeah.
Okay, can we well, first of all, we can hey, what's
Yeah.
going on,
Yeah.
Kyle?
Yeah.
Yeah. You could probably use one. It's pretty incognito as it goes. Um okay, so typically with memes they're like center aligned
Yes.
on the bottom,
Yeah.
impact font,
Yep.
white all caps impact, black border, right?
Yeah. So
Is it possible to do that? And
yes.
with the center line thing, we need to like provide it a do we have to provide it like a bounding box or something, or will it
So
do
it's
will
so
it
smart.
automatically wrap lines?
It's very smart. So if we say like gravity south, that will be it. And then if we say like Y, like we'll keep it up off the bottom, right? A little bit. We won't specify an X. It's just going to pick the middle. Everything is like from the
Right?
center. And then you can change the gravity. Because the gravity is the bottom, as you add text, it will push up rows. So it will move up.
Got you. Wow.
So yeah, so we can do that no problemo. We
That
can
is
we
scary smart.
Yep, we can add a stroke, so we can do the white with the black border, and you can pick a lot of fonts, and I imagine they have impact. So, and then I think this one is like the font size, which you have to specify. Let's just do 36. Let's see what
Okay.
this gets us. And to test, all we have to do is
Sure.
open the URL. Like it's gonna take. I'm gonna switch to maybe like a JPEG for testing to lay out the text, so it's not
Yeah.
so so let me upload a different picture just for that. Let me see what I have here. Um,
Okay.
just so that we can test faster, because it does seem to take a while to render GIFs. But there it is. Like, look at that.
Hmm.
So we're already getting very close.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
1993.
Let's
Oh, I was like, what?
we
Okay.
got to figure out how to all caps the text.
Yes, we can. You can do all of that stuff. So what I'm going to do first is try and find an image, and then we'll pull up the Cloudinary docs because there's like a page where it tells you like all the treatments that you can do. And also we have
Perfect. Yeah.
Dom in the chat. So ask Dom. Be like, yo,
Yeah, Dom,
Dom, how do we cap all the text?
help us out.
Yeah. All right. Let me see what I got here for images that would work. Phew. All right. Let me see. Oh, I know what I can do. Here we go. This one will work. I'll just download this one real quick.
I got a sweet image here.
Oh, do you? Okay. Send it to me.
Well, it's this is keeping within the our like
Yeah, send it. Send it.
Apollo Dev Advocates
Okay.
theme if we want to do this. But I was just looking through images from our last trip to San Francisco,
Oh yeah,
and I found
perfect.
this sweet image of Khalil of Khalil like
Yes. Okay. All right.
uh with sick lighting and stuff.
All right. So I downloaded that. Let me get it into. Oops. 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 Get it into Cloudinary. Oh, opened up like a new window over here. Okay. Um. Yes. Uploaded. Cool. Let me grab the name of it. Oh, it looks like there's a copy link. LOL. But I actually just want this part. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Command C. So I've got that. So let's go back. And what I'll do is we'll do. Oops. Damn it. Okay. Looking for caps now. Yo, you are the best. Thank you. Okay, so we switch that out. Let's see what we get as a test run. There we go. Whoa, the text is tiny. The image must be huge. Okay.
We can resize this. This is like
Yeah.
a super full size
I
image.
didn't realize like it was okay. Let me resize that a little bit. Oh wait, I think I could do that
Okay.
in Cloudinary.
Oh, can you?
I think so. Yeah, I think I
That would
could
be
do it
cool.
here. I know there's a way.
Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
there's
yeah,
like the
yeah.
whole like image editor thingy, and then
Mm.
um, I could have swore there was a way to like. Oh, here we go. So how big do we want it? We'll say width. We'll
Oh, definitely not. They're
nah.
definitely not on
We'll
the order of
do
3,000.
yeah. We'll do
Like 800 by 600 kind of thing.
yeah, exactly. So width we'll do 600, and that'll give the height 800. But why is
Amazing.
it like no, that's not doing what I want. That's crop.
You don't
I
want
want
crop. You want
resize.
resize.
Yeah, where's resize?
Where is resize?
How do I
It
do
says
this?
resize up there, yo.
It does. I'm so confused right now. Um, I don't think that means what we think it means. I thought,
It's
oh,
okay. I'm on it right now. I'm gonna send you a new version.
okay. I
The
could have opened
600
up
by 600.
Photoshop, but yeah, let's do it. Thank you. That's a
Oh
lot
no,
easier.
I got you, man. I'm a Mac preview wizard.
Ooh, oh, that's right. Mac Preview. Okay.
Adobe Adobe can go, you know, do some.
Yeah, yeah. So here's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, you know what, dude? I just realized for the all caps thing, like we can
Oh
just do
yeah,
that
to
in
uppercase.
JavaScript.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, Dom. But
Yeah,
all right, so we'll get rid of that
yeah,
one,
yeah, yeah.
and then
Um,
I'll
yeah,
download this
yeah.
one.
Dom mentions it there too. Sorry, we're a little slow sometimes.
Yeah.
Also, welcome back, Kyle. Ditching the birth year.
Yeah.
It's a it's a good look.
Yeah. Thanks for making me feel really old
Made it.
too. Okay, so we got our new image. So let's go. Oops. Uh, okay, so let's go change that here. Cool. All right, now we should be ready to rock and roll
Okay.
with a much more. There we go. All right,
How's that?
that's good. Okay,
Nice.
that's what.
Getting there. I think we can go even bigger on the font, honestly.
Uh,
Pump it up.
yeah, we could definitely pump it up. Okay, let's do that. So let's go back and yeah, let's do this. So what are we thinking here? Like 48 higher? Let's see what that gets us because
Yeah,
it's
let's
cheap.
start with 48.
Yeah, it's cheap.
You know, go.
That looks pretty
Yeah,
good.
yeah. I'd say let's go. Let's try 64.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You would? Okay. You wanna? Okay. All right.
Let's see what that looks like. Maybe we can
Hang on one
maybe
second.
we can
Dom said he wants to
add.
jump into the app and join us. So how do I add a participant? Copy collaboration link. I'm gonna send it to you. Oh, we're doing it from the server, Dom. It definitely wouldn't be for the hooks, and I'll show you why. So the goal is we're gonna take @meme command from chat. Yeah, thank you, Blades. So we're gonna do that, and then it's on the server side. So we're gonna get that generate meme, and then we're gonna generate the template, send that to the client, and then the client will do that. Or maybe it just makes more sense to actually use the hooks to generate the image and pass the parameters. Or Cloudinary Node
Um,
SDK,
mm,
cloudinary.url. That's so much easier.
that would be cool.
Should we do that? Let's do the Cloudinary Node thing
Sure,
instead of building it ourselves. Let's try that.
sure.
I think it's good to do this to figure out what we want, um, or maybe
And
not.
then
Yeah,
when it comes to making code that's like readable, using the SDK is probably gonna be in our
100%.
favor, I would
Yup.
think.
Oh, perfect. Look at this. Cool. All right. All right. Okay. How do I install this? Uh, Install and set up. Oh, hey. All right. Well, that's pretty easy. Important SDK and admin. Use V2 signature. What's the difference between these views? All right. So let's set this up real quick. Boom. Let's add a new one. And we're going to CD into server. CD. Server. Yarn add.
Man, who remembers
Cloudinary.
CDs?
Haha,
Wow,
I do. I, I grew up on CDs.
good times.
Tapes. I remember tapes.
I remember I was like I never owned my own tapes, but I remember listening to my parents' tapes. We had like Raffi on tape, like a children's artist, Sharon Lois and Bram.
Yeah.
Remember
Uh,
those guys? Oh
nice.
yeah. We had like Sesame
Oh
Street
no. Yeah.
tapes.
Yeah. That's awesome. Oops, I'm not using imports. Wrong project. Okay, so const cloudinary equals require cloudinary dot v2. Okay, boom. So now we've got our cloudinary, and then I think we say configuration. Yeah, how do we do that? Ah, so we need a got it. So we can either pass it. We could just do node env, like mvars. So we'll do mvars for
Hmm.
this. So let me
Okay.
just copy this. Let me copy. Yeah, do the dot config. Yeah. So we're gonna replace this. Cloud name is I believe that's Apollo for us, right? Our cloud name is
You
Apollo
can look in the
GraphQL.
yeah, it's Apollo GraphQL.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to say,
Restricted access.
huh?
Are we going restricted access?
We are here in just a second.
Okay.
Process.ev dot uh, cloudinary. Yeah, cloudinary key. If you want to do secret. While you're doing that, folks, I'm going to switch us over to restricted area so we can go ahead and populate that information. Okay, so there we go. So let's open up the .env. All right. And so we've got cloudinary key equals, and then cloudinary secret. And let's see. And then, okay. Oops, wrong app. So we go to Cloudinary because I need to get our key in secret, which I imagine, Dom, let me know if I'm correct, is probably like in our settings somewhere, I would imagine. Settings. Yeah, so you want to use the URL method and it'll work similarly to my hooks. Okay. Very cool. All right.
I just thought of something like if if somebody knows your Cloudinary URL, like I can personally just like simulate a bunch of
Yes.
operations on somebody else's Cloudinary account
Yeah, for that
just by
stuff.
knowing their username, right?
Yes, and yeah, the secret. The secret stuff. I got it, Dom. Thank you. Oops. I want to copy it though.
Oh, you can set up restrictions on that. That's good.
Yeah, you can set
Yeah,
restrictions.
no, I was just wondering. Like I was just thinking, like, wait, why do we need a client key in secret if we were
Yeah.
just doing this like without, you know?
Hope that works. Let me try that. Let me go back. Um,
Yeah,
yeah,
that's a good
cool.
call down.
All right. All right. So, oops. So let me save this. So right now I'm in the M file adding our like key and secret. So that's added. So we can close that.
Very cool.
All right. So let me get out of this area, and then we'll be good to go. All right. Cool. So all right. So we're back. We are all set up technically. And these are now populated. So like when this starts or restarts, this should actually work. Let's see, we're not getting any errors. Okay, so let's try this out. So cloudinary.url, I would imagine just returns the URL. So let's do, where am I going? Here we are. Here we are. Nope, that's not where I'm going. Generate meme. Here we are. Okay. Uh, so we're not going to pub sub anything just yet. And now const.meme is going to be different. We're going to need two steps though. One here. For now, let's just say cloudinary.url. And no matter what template they pass, and I need to go get the image, the one that we want to do, which was this one here. So do I need the version path? I think I just need like this image path. Direct image building.
I
Cool.
don't know.
Well, I'm going to try this. We'll see. We'll see if it works.
Direct URL building. Yeah.
Yeah, here we go. Boom. So we're just going to try this to start, and we'll just slowly add to it. Should work. Should TM.
Awesome.
TM should just work. Whoa, what just happened? Oh, I was like, what did just happen? I like copied a bunch of space. Interesting. All right, so that's our image. That's going to return our URL, but now we can set different things. So let's do some different things. So we've got this width, height, crop. Let's go take some of the properties that we're setting here. And
yeah. What was it? Do these properties map?
Yeah, that's what I need to figure out.
Like
Yeah.
L text to L text kind of thing.
Yeah, that's a good.
Adding text and image overlays. I'm looking at this now.
Bingo. Here we go.
Overlay.
So, it's called a transformation. So that's a transformation.
I see.
Or overlay. Font family. Here we go. We want overlay.
But all of these things
are in an array of transformations.
Yes, exactly.
Love it. Let's do it. All right. So we go back here, and we say transformation, boop, which is an array, and then we're going to give it an object, and then it was going to be, I think, overlay. Yep. Looks like we're doing it right, and then this is going to have some data in it. Let's go.
So font family is going to be impact.
Oh, right. Yeah.
And it's all underscore case or snake case.
So font family, impact.
Font size, you can just give it a number. I think we're at 64.
I thought we were at 48. I think we're at
Oh, 48.
48 right now. Yeah, I think we're at 48 right now.
And let's go font weight bold, I
Bold?
guess.
Yeah. Okay. And then does it have something for
And
like the text? Like where
yeah, and then the next key is just text.
which is actually equal to our text. So, or it's actually going to be text dot join.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
So that should get us one other thing, gravity.
Yeah, I don't know how. Like, I don't see that in any of these examples. Gravity. Oh yeah, gravity. You're right. Now is
Did
that
I get
on
it
the
right?
overlay?
It
I
should
think
be.
I think that uh, when I'm looking at the docs, I'm seeing gravity as a key at the same level as overlay.
Sorry? Oh, it's at the same level as
Like,
overlay?
yeah, yeah. And then we can also put color on the same
Ah,
level as overlay.
as this okay. Oh, as the same level as overlay, not
That's what it
inside
looks
overlay.
like.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just asking to make sure I'm doing it right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
No,
color.
I
It popped up. It said it was right.
cool. And then they're also there's also this in the example they're using on the text layer they're using effect colorize up on the same level as this, like
Okay.
effect colorize.
All right. What about the Y? Does Y go up here? Yes, right?
Yeah, Y goes up there,
Cool. All
I
right.
believe.
All right, so we're good on this. So now we could just console log meme or channel.save meme. Even better. So, okay,
Yep.
let's try it.
Let's give it a shot.
Sorry, you want me to do it or you got it?
I'm on it.
All right, cool.
Meme. Oh, I can give it any template,
Yeah,
right?
right now template will be ignored. Okay.
Okay. So now we have a big old URL. I think we have to URL encode
Yes, we do. Some of the stuff.
the text.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, because that's not that is not working.
Even if you copy the whole URL.
Yeah, I copied the whole URL. I think it breaks at the commas should
Yep.
not be.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. In text, you had a. I didn't know you had that in.
Oh wait. Yeah, now I'm unsure what the problem is. Like this
Yeah, the
should
comma
work.
is fine. Yeah. HTTP Apollo GraphQL image upload CO underscore FFF. It might be the path to the image. So here's what I like to do. So we try this, and I just start removing things to see what fixes it. So if this is
Yeah.
broken, let me just start taking some stuff out.
So it works if let me see. It worked when I took out it works when I take out CO FFFF.
Okay, so I did the color wrong.
Maybe. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, color you need to specify with the hash
RGB.
symbol.
Oh, okay.
And we can just do let's try just doing this
Cool.
guy and try again. Meme any give it another try.
Copy that.
Copy that.
Copy that. That's funny.
And it works.
Okay, let me bring it up over here so the folks at
Now the
home can
colorize
see.
thing.
Nice.
Yeah. It feels like the colorize thing is like adding to our
Yeah, I
it's
don't think we
adding
need
pixels.
yeah, I don't think we need colorize unless you're trying to give it a stroke. Like I don't colorize is like an effect that I don't think we need
Right.
in our URL specifically.
Okay.
Like if we take that
If
out,
if I take that out, it's the same thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we get the same effect, but it's still and it's like still adding stroke.
I wonder if
Maybe
it's
you know
the
what it might
bold.
be? Bold. Yeah, my thoughts exactly.
Yeah.
So we can take out colorize
Yeah.
and we can take out bold.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. And then, okay, so let me do that. Let me jump back to the code. So we don't need the font weight. And we took out the
Mhm.
effect, so we're good there. I've added uppercase. Shout out to chat for that. Thank you. Much appreciated. And then let's see what else. So yeah, that works. Okay, so we've got our URL. Now the thing is we need to be able to pick a template, right? Um,
Hmm.
const image URL equals, and then we need some way to get it from the template. So like we could either write a little function, we could do like an if statement. I mean, how many, we're not going to have that many. What do we do to keep it simple?
I mean, I kind of like the idea of having like a map that
Yeah,
then we can maintain
I like it.
like the template keywords and map them to their specific Cloudinary
Yeah.
columns, template URLs or template file names.
All right, so what are we going to name the groin shot? How about just that, groin shot?
Yeah,
All right, so that's groin shot, which is going to correspond to this
groin
one.
shot. Call it low blow.
Low blow. Okay. Whoa, what just happened? Do you want to call it low blow or
No,
groin
groin. I
shot?
think groin shot's fine.
Okay, all right. So we've got that. So now let's do this. Let's do two things. So we have that is going to be equal to meme map template. However, if there's no image URL, that means they put in an invalid template. So in that case, we should.
Yeah. Right.
Uh, and then break from here, right?
Yep.
Okay. And then boop, so we do that. So client dot say channel invalid meme template. Ideally, we would return the actually, let's just do that. We would return them and try these.
Hmm.
Boop. I need to make this a whatchamacallit. You know what?
Template literal.
Thank you. Try these. And then we'll say, oh, darn. It's an object. Oh, wait. So we could just say like object dot values. No, dot keys.
Well, keys, yeah.
Yeah. Me map dot join comma space. Boom.
Sounds good.
Okay. So now we're there. So now the next step is to change this to image URL. Oh, homage. Image URL. And we save that. Okay. If my theory is correct, if we have 100 templates, if we have 100 templates, then they're all going to come in one message. Like it's just going to be comma separated list of the keys. I think we're okay.
Mm-hmm.
We're never going to have more than a few. Like maybe we'll get.
Yeah.
If we get there, I'll fix that command and make it better. Yeah. Okay. All right, cool. So this is done. Let's test it out. So I'm gonna generate a meme and see how it
Okay.
goes. At meme groin shot. Test this out. Boom. We got a URL.
Okay.
I'm gonna jump to Chrome. And let's try it.
This is not a groin shot. I thought something was up when I looked at the URL that got generated. It was .jpeg. I'm like, huh,
Wait, what happened?
that's weird. We
Oh, we
just
gotta
we
switch
we
the image. Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Well, why don't we just make two? Like, let's just do
Two
two
memes.
entries in the map. Yeah.
Okay, what are we gonna call this one?
Uh,
And while you do that, I'll get the GIF URL
point.
to fix that to the stars. Yes,
Okay, and then the GIF URL
got
goes
that.
in groin shot. All
Okay,
right.
so now we're good. So we've already got two, if this works, right?
Yeah.
So let's go back here. I'm gonna close some of these tabs because, like, oops, I'm having a hard time tracking now what's what. Okay. All right. Oh wait, I want that open. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's test this out.
All
And which
right.
one are you gonna test?
I'm gonna see
Actually, we don't.
what you. I'm gonna be a bystander.
All right. So let me do this. All right. At meme. Okay. All right. Well, let's open it up. Oops.
I got a great another great potential meme photo here.
Here we go. The suspense.
I'm gonna hit you up.
You know, I'm dying in
It's,
anticipation.
maybe memeable. Definitely not a trend.
Yo, look at that. Yo, do you see ooh, that's a good one. Do you see oh man, are you watching the stream? It's working. It's
Let's see.
working.
Oh my
It's
god, yes.
working.
Amazing, amazing.
Okay, so now
And
we
we
have
thought it would be hard.
I know, right? Okay, okay. All right. What do we do now? What's our next move? I mean, we could
Well,
send it to the client, or I mean, honestly, like, how far do we want to get? We might actually be able to get these to render today, which is scary. This
hmm.
might be a one episode uh, launch pad.
Well, maybe we can start just by getting that route set up.
Yep.
Getting the route set up, adding it to the stream layout, see if we can get something to render on the page, and then hook it up to our API.
I love it. Okay. All right. Let me
And
do
then
that.
that might be almost it for us.
It really might almost be it for us. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. What are we doing here? Help me out.
Well,
Oh
let's
yeah, we're
start
gonna set up.
by going for well, we could just create a new
So
scene,
yeah, that's right. That's right.
like write a React component.
should we finish the server though and like get the subscription side set up? Like we haven't added this like a subscription thing in it. There's no type for it in our schema.
Oh yeah, right. Finishing that would be good. I actually created the subscription event name.
No way. Oh,
The
that's right. You
what was
did.
it called?
Display
Yeah,
meme.
when you were yeah,
Yeah, but I
that's it.
unfortunately I think we have to also create it somewhere else. Hang on one second. I'm just trying to do something real quick. I'll just be one
Okay.
second.
How's the kiddo doing?
Good. He's doing so
Nice.
good.
He's occupied.
Yeah, yes. You should
Good.
do like Apollo GraphQL credits in some corner of the image so people gets to know the channel through memes. Oh, that's a good idea. That's super cool. I like that.
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great idea.
That is a great idea. Okay, all right, we will do that. I'll add that to the. We can either do it through the generation or to the templates themselves. But yeah, we can take care of that. But right now, so sorry, let me get back to this. So I need display meme. Let me copy this. We're gonna go into GraphQL. Is this where I set this up? No, this is just where we export the. Oh, it is. Create resolvers. Yeah. So in here, we're also gonna need display meme. And the reason why, we're going to come down to subscription, and then we're going to add, we'll just call it meme from the client, make it a little bit easier. And then this is going to be a meme message. And it's required if you send that event. Okay, so we have that. Now we're going to come down to our subscriptions, kind of see how we have all of these, chat, follow, all that. So I'm just going to create a new one above it, call it meme, and that's going to be to this display meme event. So that is what takes to get that set up, except we don't have a type for a meme message yet. Oh, that's just sending sound. Maybe we just keep this simple. I'm not going to change that right now. This should be sound message. It should really just be sound and meme. Let's change this. I'm going to get rid of all the message things later. Type.
All right.
Meme. Yeah, whatever. Right? It's fine. URL. String. And it's required. Okay. Well, that's it. So now the server is set up. We're ready.
Great.
Yeah. All right.
Could in this case, like,
could it just be a string?
Yeah, I was thinking just like, could we just send a string back? But
We
kind of like
can.
the way that we do follow there.
Yeah. Yeah, actually we can do that. Why don't we? We could also do that for sound. I'll fix that too eventually then. Yeah, you're
That's
right.
all right. Well, we can do that later.
One at a time. Yeah. I mean, actually,
Yes.
it would only take me like 2 seconds to fix. Maybe. I'm just gonna do
All
it
right.
because we're already about to
Sure.
jump right into there anyway, and I'm gonna
Let's
copy.
just do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna copy sound to set up meme, so might as well. And that's
Nice.
being a upstanding code-based citizen. So here we've got sounds. Let's duplicate this. I thought you could duplicate, maybe not. So why don't we just do this instead then? Let's open it. And first let's make our fix. Let's just yield sound. And then here, push data.sound. So that's going to actually just work. We don't have to change anything there.
Nice.
So that's the only change we had to make. So let's save
Easy.
that. Yeah, Command A, C. So we're going to copy that. Hooks, new file. And this one is going to be memes.js. We're going to paste everything in. Really, sound is just going to become meme.
Okay.
I'll fix that. It's like going to be lowercase everywhere, but that's fine.
I can help with that.
Yeah, cool. I'll start taking some of these. You start taking some of these, and we'll be done in no time. It's a meme.
Subscription. Meme is just gonna be a straight thing with no type on it,
Yep.
right?
Ooh, good call. I have to fix.
So I'm gonna have to do that to sound as well.
Yeah, right? I'm already there with you. Boom. Perfect. Thank you. Save.
Okay.
Save.
Meme. Use.
Meme. Okay.
I'm gonna make this default.
Use
function.
memes. Yeah.
Wait, this is just gonna be memes.
Yep.
Meme subscription, data meme,
Oh.
meme of memes.
I usually prefix use with like hooks I export. I don't know why everyone else seems to.
A hook.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this is a hook.
Yeah, got you. Yeah. I thought this was a component. I just
no worries.
saw that we were using hooks, and I was like, oh.
No, yeah, I like to separate it some between, and then also we'll have to figure out like how long we want a meme to be visible. We'll probably want like somewhere between 3 to 5 seconds. I'm just gonna do 3 seconds for now.
Sure.
So that means it would have 3 seconds to display, which probably isn't long enough. Let's do 5 seconds. Okay. So even if we send 100 meme events right in a row, it's only going to yield a value for that once every 5 seconds. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I think that all checks out.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome. All right. So we're good there. And then, so now we have our hook. Now we want to make the actual component that will do our animation and stuff like that. And then, or feel like we could just do this right in the overlay, to be honest. Um,
Sure.
let's do that. Let's do it in the
Okay.
overlay. So for a new file, this is going to be meme.js, or actually memes.js. All right, so this is going to have like const memes. Boo. Yeah, if you could import React, that would be awesome. And then we're going to export default memes. Cool. Works for me. I guess I could have done export default function memes, but whatever. Um, yeah, whatever. Okay, so we have to do a couple things. So like const meme is going to be equal
Mm-hmm.
to use memes. And so we'll get one every 5 seconds if there's any in the queue. Oh, you already imported that.
Okay.
Thanks.
Oh yeah, man, I'm on top of this.
Yeah, you certainly are. So then we're gonna have to. So actually, let's see what new follow is doing because they're doing a lot. Oops, a lot of the stuff that we need to do. So because it like animates in and then animates out. So I'm just gonna bulk copy this thing now that I think about
All
it.
right.
Well, most of it. Why don't I just copy like everything inside? Because this is gonna apply to us as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Command C. All right. Nothing like this. I guess we could probably just like make them one component. All right. Either way, it doesn't matter. Oh, we also need motion or animate presence and motion from framer motion. I got that. Yeah, animate presence and motion. Cool. So that's going to help us there. I definitely broke everything because, oh, from, maybe if I finish the import. All right, cool. So another good reason to do this in its own source is because then in OBS it's going to load up in its own browser source, which will have its own thread. And because we're doing animations, that's actually very beneficial. I've actually been thinking about moving chat and sounds and follows all out to their own overlays for that same reason, so they can all have threads. Um,
Nice.
yeah. Okay, so we've got this going now. So except we're working on memes. So if current. So where am I doing this? Current. This is going to be meme. And maybe you know a better way to do this. You can let me know. Stale, set stale. Playback rate we don't need. We're not going to have an associate. Do we want to have an associated sound with the meme? Because like when the follow comes in, there's a sound. Cause,
Be funny, yeah.
yeah, because then it could be like,
Wow.
yeah, like whoop when it like pops up, like whoop, that kind of thing.
That would be cool. Let's
Comment that out for now.
yeah, let's comment it out, but let's leave us a to do in there
Yeah,
for that.
yeah. Add like bubble sound on enter. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna clear the timeout. This is all gonna stay the same. Set stale, set current, meme, and then this is if current is not equal to meme. Play and set playback. These are going to go boop. Because this is only used for the sounds. So when we get follows, like if follows come in back to back pretty quickly, the volume of the sound that plays with it will like increase within a given amount of time. So
Mm-hmm.
if we got like 15 follows real fast, it'd be like do 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 like kind of thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Pretty neat. But we don't need that for this. I'm actually thinking we don't need most of this stuff. Meme. This stuff does not exist. Um,
I guess we don't need this set timeout either.
yeah, I don't know if we
We're
need.
not
Actually, we might be able
we're
to get
not
rid of
messing
this
with
whole
the sound.
thing. No, because we do need the stale stuff. That we still
Yeah,
need. Yeah. All right.
great.
Oh, wait a minute. We do need the timeout. Sorry, put it back because that controls the stale. That's how we know when to animate out.
Oh, I see.
I'm
Okay.
so
Putting it
sorry.
back.
Yeah. Does that make sense? Like, because it's got to,
Yep,
yeah.
definitely.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So that's it. That's all slimmed down. So that's
Okay.
good. Stale set stale. Current is in there, but we don't pass in set current. Should that be in there? Name current.
I would, yeah.
Yeah, I think so, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man, I need to fix that in uh, follow.
Okay, so now we have like the show hide stuff fleshed out there.
Yep. So now,
I guess we're not using follower anymore, right? So we can get rid of that import.
yeah. So
And does use memes it does return an array, right?
no, it returns one item. Oh, you're right. It just
Okay.
returns an item. Take that array out. So sorry. Thanks.
It's all good. Just making sure.
Yeah, good call. I'm so used to that with like use state. It's like a default to like put the result into an
Yeah.
array.
Oh yeah.
All right. Yeah, so that's good. All right. So yeah, so our animate presence is going to be around our motion.div. This is actually going to become an image, right? Because we're going to pass in.
Right. Yeah, yeah. We don't like this is it needed to be a div before because it had all these contents, but ours is just an image.
Exactly. So I'm going to get rid of all these children components.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Oh, here we go. And the other motion.div because it's just a single closed thing. Boom. So source is
Yeah.
meme. It's just the URL. Okay.
It would it be current?
It would be current. Thank you. Sorry. Okay.
Nice.
So this is going to work. This is going to animate in and it's going to exit.
So gonna work.
It is going to work.
Maybe we just set a width on it, something
Absolutely.
acceptable.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
600 pixels.
Sure. Sounds
Okay.
perfect. So what's going to happen now is it's just going to kind of spring in scale to full size, and I think that that's
Mhm.
okay. I think that's
I think that's great.
so. Here's what we want to do though, because we want this to be like in this for now. Let's just put it in the very center of the page, and we don't have
Hmm.
anything for that. And I believe we're using. I don't know if I'm using Chakra in here or not. I don't know if I have that available to me. But anyway, let's just do. I'm just gonna put like a containing div that is the full width and height, and then flex boxed like center. Does that
Sounds
sound?
good.
All right, so let me close it real quick, and then I'll add the CSS because I guess we could use a styling library in here at this point. But I think
Well, we're that CS the CSS prop is emotion.
oh that's right. That's how it's being done.
Yeah. So I just added the JSX pragma at the top of the
Oh, thank
page
you.
so that we can use
Yeah,
our emotion
thanks.
CSS prop.
All right, so we've got that. So now we're just gonna say width is gonna be 100 view width because we just want to fill up the space of whatever bounds we
Hmm.
set within. Oops, thanks. Within uh, OBS. So we want the
Hmm.
overlay to always just be 100% of everything. There we go. Now we just want display to be flex, and then we want our justify content to be center and our align items to be centaur. Okay, to be a centaur. Centaur. All right, boom. This is works, folks. It just already works. So now let me go into OBS. And actually, let me bring OBS over so that you can see what I'm doing. Yes. Okay. This is going to get trippy. Let's see how this goes. I just almost quit OBS. That's definitely not what I want to do. Okay. All right. Let's try this one more time. Exit full screen. Please do not break. Why are you drawing a line? Okay. All right. Whoa. Okay. Trippy, but you can see it. So here we have it.
Wow.
So this is what's live program. This is what's preview, what would be up
Hello.
next. So I'm going to go to Launchpad because that's the one with the desktop. And you might be getting like echoing. So now I'm going to add a new source. And that's going to be a browser source, and it's going to be a new one. And we're just going to call this Overlay local. Actually, no, because it's just going to be overlay or meme overlay. That's what we'll call it. Meme overlay. And we will make the source visible. Yes. Okay. So now it's going to ask us a bunch of questions. Like, first of all, where does it live? Right now, it's HTTP. We haven't added the route yet. Oops. But we will. Localhost 3000, and we'll just put it to meme. So that's where it's going to go. Width and height, I'm actually going to fill up. 1920 for the width, and then 1080 for the height. That's going to fill up there. We want to control audio through OBS because we do plan to play sound. So I'm going to hit OK. Yeah. So it's in here. It's not going to render to anything. And also, you wouldn't know it's on screen yet. So let's jump back into VS Code really quick. And let's add this as a route. So we're going to go now into app.js. I'll just grab another one coming out of overlays. Boop. So this is going to become memes from overlays. I think we named it. Yep, memes. And are you adding the route? Yep. There you go. Memes path.
And the path is meme singular, right?
Yeah, let's fix that. Let's make it memes here and there. I think that's better. More canonical. Okay. Is that canonical? Canonical? Sure. See, so now we're getting like a failed compilation. So let's go. Oops. So now if I bring this meme overlay and I go back into the properties, first things first, let's do this and hit OK. But let's refresh the cache of the current page. Okay, so it seems like we're failing to build. So let me get a go to, and this is the cool thing because like we can debug this locally.
Just
actually,
try it out,
yeah, I have it local. Use state is not defined. Use ref and use effect. I brought all that in and never copied over the dependencies from. Yeah, so let me do that. All right.
Classic
I'm in the wrong file now, making changes. So let me save that, and then I need to be in memes. Here we go. It is a classic blunder. So React is not used, but I don't.
I think we do. No, we do. We
still need to because of div
import React. Yeah. If you're using JSX.
Yep. Good call. Thank you. So we've got that, and then we need use state, use ref, and use effect. The trifecta.
Oh, actually, you know what? I actually could be wrong on this.
I think because the JSX.
Because we're using JSX Pragma. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought, but I don't know. I'm not.
No, you know.
I don't know. Oh, hey, okay. So this is re-rendering. So you know. All right. So boom, there we go. So it's working because we're seeing nothing. So it's working.
Great.
So let's go back to OBS.
that makes total sense.
It does. It's logical.
See nothing.
Yeah. All right. So we've got nothing there. I'm going to transition us over. So now we're on the same scene, but now we have our meme overlay. In theory, if we do a meme command, this should just work.
Let's see. I'm gonna give it a shot here.
I'm gonna move this back out so that we can like better see. Oops, where did OBS just go? Did I just quit it?
Did we get anything?
Oh my God, I don't know what's happening. I can't get to my menu. Here we go.
Oh no.
No, we're good. False alarm. All right, so let me bring this back up. We didn't get anything.
Okay.
React is defined. Well, no, that's old. Okay. Network.
Maybe you have to hit save again? This file is unsaved on my end.
Which one?
Memes.
Oh, it is unsaved. Okay. All right, let's try again.
Okay.
Okay.
To the start.
Oh, oops. Yikes. And look at how useful that was. It works. Try to the stars. Hello.
to the starts.
Did
Let's
I
try
type
that.
it wrong?
Yeah, you keep saying
Again? Oh
starts.
my gosh. What's wrong with
Um,
me? But we didn't get anything.
so yeah. Okay. So let's see what
Let's see. Check out all of
where
our
are we?
terminals. Yeah. Oh, we got an error.
We got an error.
Must supply font family for text in overlay underlay. I thought we did.
Oh, my bad. I sneakily added a
What?
let's try this. I sneakily added the little at GraphQL or at Apollo GraphQL
Oh.
thing. Let's try this now.
Oh. Okay. 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 All right. Go ahead. You gonna run it or you want me to?
I'll go.
All right. Oh.
Let's
Well, we
see.
got a URL. Oh, are we still console logging or are
But
we?
we're not publishing.
Oh yeah.
Or did we ever?
No.
Yeah, still have
Yeah, we never
the pub
publish.
pub sub publish commented out. So let's do this. I'm gonna get rid of the client say,
Yeah.
or maybe just comment it out. Nah, get rid of it.
Get rid
Get
of
rid
it.
of it.
We
We
don't
don't
need
need
it.
that.
But wait, wait,
Get it
wait.
out of here.
What has to
Yeah.
happen though is meme has to just go through as meme, not as an object. Because remember, it's just a string. So, okay. Now we're officially
Uh,
ready.
I don't. I think we still need to make it. It still needs to be an object with the property of meme, right?
Oh, yeah. Oops. Thank you. Yes. Okay. All right, cool. So now it's running.
Okay, you gotta save them.
Huh?
You have to save the file because I
Uh,
can't save.
why?
There we go.
Why? Okay. Okay. Let's try again. One last time. One more time. We're gonna celebrate. Yo! Yo!
Oh my god.
Yo! It worked!
Dude, sees nothing. Nice, dude.
Yes!
Wow.
Alright, so let me
Meme.
close this.
Brian shot.
Let me close that local one. Let's get to like something else. Let's bring up VS Code. Alright, let's do it again. I'm gonna try the GIF one. Let me try groin shot.
Okay. Yeah.
Groin shot.
Woo! What a good feeling.
What up? I got a feeling. Oh, it's a GIF, so this one might not display. Like it might take too long
Oh,
for it to render.
it's gonna take more than 4 seconds to load. Yeah.
Yeah, but the cool thing is, watch this. If I copy it, because once it's generated, it should just exist,
Okay.
and so it should go. Maybe not. Maybe I broke it. I'm gonna check VS Code. Well, we're not getting any server errors. Oh, I want to try something. I'm gonna take out the question mark.
All right.
Maybe we're getting an error. Maybe I should open up the browser and see like if we're getting any errors on the client.
Mm-hmm.
Good idea. Good idea. All right. I closed it. Why did I do that? All right. Command Alt I. Command Alt I. Can you send another one of groin
Yeah.
shot? Send the groin shot through.
Oh, I just did a
Oh, that's cool.
to the stars.
Yeah, so that worked.
And that works. So let's try meme groin shot.
Ooh. So now what we have to do, here's I think what we need to do is wait for like the image on load event to happen. We need a ref to our image.
Right. Okay. So yeah, I was just inspecting.
Yep.
I'm inspecting
It's
our
pending.
like
Yeah.
thing, and it actually renders the image, animates it in, animates it out, but the image source never loads. Which, to your point, we need to
Yeah.
wait for that load event.
So let's go into the codes and let's start cleaning some things up. So we're done with the server. So let's get rid of that. We're done with sounds. Our hook is working. App is good. Follow is good. So here we are. We're in memes.js. So what we need to do now is we need this. I hope motion supports refs. Uh, uh,
Yeah, I mean, one thing we could do is
uh,
we don't necessarily need to use image refs.
we don't?
Like, no, here's what I'm thinking. Like, what if in our use effect,
Mm-hmm. Ooh, you like fetch it
what
in
if we go
here?
like const image equals new
Yes.
image,
Okay.
image source equals meme,
Okay.
image
On
on load
load.
equals this function
Then you set
that,
current.
yeah,
Yo, genius.
something like that. And then we need to set the timeout in here.
Yeah.
Oh, copy and paste doesn't work.
Oh, cool. Do you want me to
Uh,
do it? It did. It worked.
I got it. I got it.
All right.
And then this, there we go.
Wait.
So
Do we have a?
something like that.
Yeah, yeah. That looks right. Do we have a Phantom? Nope. Okay. Let's save it and see what it
Um,
looks like.
Now, what I'm wondering is, will the image start loading if we don't render it to the DOM? Let me just see
Yes,
something
I
here.
believe it should. Or we might have
Okay.
to render
Yeah.
it in a fragment, but I'm pretty sure it should load it just
No.
by setting it.
This should work.
Okay.
Fingers crossed. This should work. Let's give it a try.
Oh yeah. Let's do it. Clap, clap. YOLO. Do you want me to run the command?
Go for it.
All right. Meme. Groin
Groin shot.
shot. Fatality.
uh, okay.
Nothing. We doing any console logging? We should be.
Not.
All right. I'm gonna add some console logs in here.
Okay.
Oh, it just worked. Shit you not, it just worked. It just popped up
Oh
on
yeah,
screen.
dude, it did.
It just
Nice.
worked.
Okay, that makes sense. It just took a long ass
Because
time
it's a
to get
GIF.
the thing.
It's
Yeah, like
rebuilding the
the
whole
thing needs
GIF.
to generate
Yeah.
multiple frames.
Yeah, yeah.
Dude,
Okay. That's
nice. That's not
wild.
bad. It's delayed gratification, right?
Yeah, that is wild. I can't believe this is working. Dom, I don't know if you're still
Yeah.
there, but shout out to
You
Cloudinary.
probably Dom's a lurker, man.
I know.
He's in.
Yeah. All right.
And pancakes, I see you. We're thinking with memes now, man.
Oh yeah. So here's the thing.
This is-
This is getting very close to being done, but it's not quite where I want it yet. And I want you to hear me out on this. What I really want at the end of the day, I love that the meme pops up, but I kind of want it to like pop up in like a random spot, kind of like pop in, raise up almost like a bubble, and then fade
Okay.
out. Does that make sense?
Sure.
But do you think this is like, should we push through and just do this, or should we break here and like save like the extra stuff for another one? I'm ready to do whichever.
I think I'm pretty pleased with our progress today.
Yeah. It's been an hour and
I
40
think
minutes, so
yeah, dude.
yeah,
We we got through a lot of stuff today, and
more than I
I'd be
thought.
happy to tackle the next steps in another stream.
Yeah, so I think that's a great idea. And okay, so saying that was nice. Loading, pop them as they load. See if you have something that takes 10 seconds. Yeah, we can still run. Yeah, I can look at that, like letting more of them through. Well, they're still gonna come through. This would still work, I think, if more memes came through. We'll have to try. Long story short, I think this is a good wrap up point as well. So let me commit this. Add basic meme overlay support. And yeah, so what we can do next week is we can clean it up, get a fancier animation, add the sound so it's like whoop when it pops up, and like and we could take care of all that. What do you think?
Yeah, sounds good. I just tried to make a meme and I got no response.
Huh.
I wonder what's going on.
I don't know, but if we are going to continue on for a little while, I do want to flip over to like BRB for a sec. There it is, Cloudinary up in this. There it goes.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah,
And it has this Apollo GraphQL at the bottom.
yeah.
Thank you for the suggestion there, Matronex.
Yeah, that is awesome. Okay, but if we are going to jump, I gotta jump soon because, like, honestly, I gotta go use the bathroom, dude. My like eyeballs are floating. I gotta get out of here. Came out of
Yeah,
nowhere.
no worries. Let's wrap up, man.
Yeah, let's do it.
That that was really awesome. And thanks everybody for hanging out with us. This was
So much
really
fun.
fun.
Yeah.
And we've now got a new little meme command. You guys can spam to your heart's content.
Yes, Matron X. We love it.
And
This is so cool. We'll add more
hell
too.
yeah,
Yeah, we will add more. What
yeah.
a productive hour and 45 minutes. All right, folks. With that,
Ooh,
oh, go ahead. What?
I was just gonna say next stream you also have to add in the cartwheel.
Yes,
Um,
yes. Take a note of that. Take a note of that. But I'm about to end the stream because otherwise
okay.
I'm gonna have a adult accident. All right, folks.
All right. Why don't you head out? I can start the raid and then when you get back to the computer you can turn the stream off if that
That works.
works for you.
Yeah, that's a good idea. All
Cool.
right, y'all. I'm gonna switch to the like be right back, and then y'all are just gonna raid out over anyway. Later, folks.
Yes. See you, Kurt. Thanks, man.
You are now
I think
back.
I think we're
Yeah, we're back.
I'm back. We're back.
We're gonna
And
raid.
we're
Yeah.
gonna raid and peace out.
Later, y'all.
I don't know.
Bye,
All
everyone.
right. See ya.